Hey guys, this is the market recap for Wednesday, May 13th, and we'll just kind of run through the high probability setups here. At about 10:30, we had a really nice setup, a long for about 4 point potential, and I'll show you. We had this is very similar to a trade we had yesterday with a number one entry here, and made a measured move to the 61 extension with weakness on the 233. I picked off 2.5. Down here we had a short, nice little short trade. Got 1.5 on half of my contracts, and then 2 points on the other half of the lot. We had a trend line, squeezing Bollinger Bands with momentum, also a price area. So we had quite a bit of reasons here for the short. And then this 887 was a pretty big area of support that actually held for a second. We popped back up. We actually had a number two entry up here at the 38% retracement, zero line, mid-band, LRC. Beautiful number two entry with a flat top. And we continued to go down until we actually hit the 1597 LRC, which we were on the wrong side of at this point right here. And we also had big time divergence on our 2584. So there was, quite a bit of reasons to close here. Nice little 3.25 point trade. For me, I had 7.5, 3 trades, 3 wins, less than 2 hours. If we go in the afternoon, we see we had a potential for a reversal trade here. Looked like an inverse head and shoulders. LRC had changed everything to the upside, and this is where the beauty comes in. We have in this area, we needed a number 3 setup for the entry, and we were looking at an indecision bar here, and because this bar broke the bottom, it invalidated this area that we were looking at for a long. So it saved us from having even a small loss. A lot of traders lose anywhere from 3 to 10 points on their losses, where our maximum is 1.25, and this actually saved us from even having that small of a loss. So beautiful, beautiful day so far. We come down, have a nice, really, you could consider this a number one. It was real close to the zero line. If you waited for a little bit of weakness, you had a second chance entry here, and you could have closed out anywhere in this box, outer band divergence on the 610. So, just a really nice 3 or so point potential on that trade. We came up here, and this was actually during our live class. We talked about this area. There was a potential for this short, but at this point, you had an upward sloped LRC, and you were taking the short right into the support area, and you also had kind of a flat LRC on the wrong side of it here. So I marked this up technically as an area. A lot of traders really wouldn't take this trade because it's more of a 50-50 shot. So even that, if you took this, you could have gotten out with a break even. Not a big deal. We come down. We do get the number 3 entry here. There was a little momentum coming off of this 887, which again is a strong area. Previous support turned resistance. When we pop up, we know that this was our first resistance area, and this was decision time. Overall momentum of the market was down. So whenever you have a situation like this where you have a strong pop off of the area and then a pullback with resistance, a lot of traders closed out up here. And then after that, we noticed that the volume got really slow, and we had an area of support here and an area of resistance here, and we talked about the chance for a channel. And we actually ended the live trading class right around here because of this potential. And wouldn't you know it, what did we do for the rest of the day? Not a thing. A lot of traders that tried to trade this got chopped to pieces, where we claimed our profit early in the day, some in the afternoon, some in the morning session, and then went and played some golf or whatever in the afternoon. So beautiful day. Look forward to tomorrow.